I did find us a nice camping spot on the water. It's about 3 hours yet to go. Hopefully, it's a decent spot when we get there. So stay tuned, and we'll see you when we get there. That is where we are heading right now. And I actually had to turn around because I missed my turn. I have it pretty well hidden to get back here. So let's go see what this campsite looks like. Goldie, you're probably ready to get out and run around for a while, aren't you? Bet she is. So it looks like we have another 2 miles or so to get where we're going to be camping. Hopefully you can see that. Come up over the hill. There's a big old lake down there. Let's get out and see what this sign has to say. All right, let's take a look at this sign. Ute Lake State Park, Mine Canyon. Buckets. That's expensive to camp. Especially since I really try to find free camping all the time, but since we're here, we came all the way from Minnesota. All right, Goldie, let's go find that perfect camping spot on the water, hopefully. Down the rocky road we go. Go down this way and see what happens. There's other campsites down further. Let's go down there and get turned around and go down there. I stopped real quick here because I noticed there's a campsite over here and it's kind of tucked in a little bit out of the wind, but a good view of the water yet. Just have to drive down that road there to get over there. And it's right over there. Kind of like that. Before we decide, there's a couple other camping spots right up here a little ways. Let's go look at them. A little further down this road is where them other camping spots should be. Garbage can down there I can see. Camping spot here. Let's turn in here and see what this looks like. I like this. Nice and flat. Oh yeah. Out of the wind. Nice view. Let's hop out and take a look at this one. Initially getting out of the car, my first impression is, wow, this is an amazing spot. I really like it. Still a little bit of a breeze, but it's kind of nice. Not a lot of shade, and it's really sunny today. Goldie, what do you think? Do you like this one? Is this gonna work? Yeah, I think this is gonna work. She's in the water playing. Yep, I think this is gonna be our camping spot. Little fire ring there. I don't have any firewood or anything, so doubtful we're gonna have a fire. That's okay. I'm gonna get the car turned around and park. All right, let's get the car turned around. Get rid of it. Nice, let's look. I think that is gonna work. For sure. Yeah, that's gonna work out perfect for us. I need to get some things organized. It's kind of a mess in the car from traveling, so I'm gonna get some things organized and we'll be back after a little bit. Go for a walk, Goldie? Yup. All right, let's grab the garbage here and then we'll go for a walk. Oh, she's so happy to be out of the car after that long drive we had to get here from Minnesota. Kind of nice they have a garbage can right here. No fish guts. About 75, 80 degrees out right now. It's really nice. Spot you could put your boat in, I suppose, if you had one, or kayaks. Wonder what this spot is up here. Well, this goes out here a little ways. I'm driving a car through there, so come on, Goldie, I don't want you. Hey, come on. Stay out of that mud, please. Thank you. Let's go back this way. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Good girl. I think there's only like 5 sites along this area where we are. I would say we have probably one of the best ones. Got a cloud in the sky, beautiful day. And here's our campsite. Yeah, I think we have probably one of the best ones. I was just enjoying the view there a little bit. So pretty. Goldie, she loves the water. She's been down playing in there all the time. Should be a beautiful sunset tonight, I'm thinking. Just down on another walk. Enjoying our camping spot we have here. Beautiful. Goldie, she got in the car. She was sitting at the door whining. She wanted to get in, so I let her in, and I'm gonna get stuff put away. All right, Goldie, let's get stuff picked up and put away. That way in the morning, we can get out of here, because we're only gonna spend one night here. We're gonna enjoy that view. Look at Goldie looking out the window, enjoying the view of the water. We will see you in the morning, but you'll let you know in the morning how the night went, how we slept, and what we're gonna get up to tomorrow. Good morning. Goldie and I slept amazing along this beautiful lake that we had at our first camping spot in New Mexico. This morning, Goldie and I are gonna be heading into Tucumcari, New Mexico. I have a couple things I need to do this morning in town. Okay, we're gonna get out of this camping area, head for Tucumcari. We were near Tucumcari, New Mexico, and earlier I ran into Tucumcari, did a few things, and actually we need to stay around town for a day because I have a front right wheel bearing going out on my car, so that is being fixed tomorrow. So now we're out looking for a new camping spot. Hopefully you can see that, but where that blue dot, and there's a spot up there I want to look at. Away we go again. There's a view of the water right there. Oh, look at here. Now this does not look like a shabby camping spot, I would say. Oh, this looks like a great camping spot. Let's get parked and get out and check it out. This is pretty nice. Not a bad view. This is going to be a great camping spot. What do you think, Goldie? Is this going to work? Sniffing around, making sure it's okay. I think my parking spot's going to be fine. I'm going to put some window coverings up though to keep some of the sun out because there is no shade here. But that's okay. It's a nice spot. Yeah, this is going to be a great camping spot. Pretty much have water all the way around us. I was just kind of standing here watching Goldie as she's walking around, exploring, sniffing around, and I noticed something in the water, and it's a dog bone. I'll show you. Goldie, do you see there's a blue bone in the water right there? Look at it. Maybe you can see it now. See it down there? That blue bone. Let's go see if we can get that for Goldie. Come on, let's go down here. Go. See if we can get that bone. I think we can get it, Goldie, don't you? I think so. Come on, Goldie. See if we can get it. Oh yeah, we can reach out. For sure. Goldie, look what we got here. Look at this. There's a bone. You want it? There you go. Sweet, we got the bone out. That's awesome. For sure, she'll carry that around now. Pretty decent bone, Goldie. For sure, that's a good find. The water's pretty. Wish I had a fishing license. It's a bummer I don't have a fishing license because I do have a fishing pole with me. And we could do some fishing. That'd be pretty great. Digging that bone, aren't you? Absolutely. Don't lose it. Decent bone. You're so cute. I love you. Look at this. I wake up from a nap and Goldie's just kind of sitting there, keeping me safe, watching out the back. What a good dog. Are you enjoying the view, Goldie? I bet you are. It's nice. Water back there. You got water view over there. And if we come all the way back over to this side, we've got water here too. It's beautiful. Sun's starting to go down. What a beautiful day it's been here. It's so calm. Water's just like glass. It's pretty. I'm gonna be getting ready to make some dinner here soon. I'm gonna fry up some taters, throw some egg, sausage in there. Charging the drone right now as well. I was hoping to get that up tonight for a little bit. Catch a little bit of the sunset. So beautiful. Love it. Thank you, New Mexico. Good morning. It's early. It is 3 a.m. in the morning. Goldie and I are just getting our day started. We need to finish packing up here at this camping spot we stayed last night and head into town because I have an appointment this morning to get a wheel bearing fixed. So that's the project today. All right, let's get out of this camping spot, head into town where I can get that wheel bearing fixed. And we're actually heading into Tucumcari, New Mexico. That's where we're going to be heading. I was there yesterday, had it looked at. They're going to have the parts this morning, and I have to be there at 8 a.m. And right now, it is about 3:30 in the morning. We have about hour drive or so, hour and a half drive to get there from this camping spot where we're at. So we will see you when we get to Tucumcari. Patiently waiting for the mechanic shop to open up. It is a little after 7 o'clock in the morning now. Just kind of waiting. Hopefully they'll be coming along here shortly. Just sitting here waiting to get the car in the shop, get the old hot rod in the shop. We're gonna be next to get to pull in. Goldie, are you just patiently waiting? Yes, you are. Yeah, these guys have been super great, super helpful so far. If you're ever in the area, give them a shout if you need their help in Tucumcari, New Mexico. There we go. The guy's getting ready to pull it into the shop, get my wheel bearing replaced. Goldie, she's gonna supervise while they work on the car. Got the car on the lift and they're just getting it lifted up. Just like that. They've got the car wheel bearing replaced, getting things put away, and we're gonna be hitting the road soon. Goldie, have you been patiently waiting? Nice thing here at the D&A Auto Care is they let me bring my dog inside. Not every mechanic shop you go to will let you do that, so love that about this place. There we go, backing the car out of the shop. And then we're gonna be set to go in no time. Car's fixed out of the shop. We're ready to hit the road. Thank you so much to D&A Auto Care in Tucumcari, New Mexico. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I cannot highly recommend them enough. They were super. So we're gonna hit the road. Let's get on it.